This is the Osburn 1700 freestanding wood stove. This one here is shown with the nickel legs. You do have various leg options. So these are going to be the straight legs, which are more contemporary. You can see down here they do have a curved leg, which gives you a more traditional style. So again, nickel door. You do have your ash pan located directly below the unit, as well as your slide damper control. You can see that down there. Osburn has upgraded, more contemporary style. You can see the reflective glass on your ash lip. Inside the firebox is going to be a firebrick-lined box. This is nice because these are standard size fire bricks. Located below, that's going to be your ash plug for easy clean out. You can see the top of the system. You do have the secondary reburn tubes, which is what makes this stove a high efficient model. And it does have a fully gasketed door. So the this is the Osburn 1700. They do have a insert model in the 1700 series as well.